friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today I will be sharing a few valuable information about almond milk. And let us see, does it have calcium? Its goodness with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Almond milk is not rich in calcium, but it fortifies to get enough calcium and some amounts of protein too. Commercially available almond milk is quite rich in calcium, as 1 cup of almond milk contains 45 to 50% of the recommended daily intake. In contrast, the amount of calcium in 1 cup of cow's milk may be 28 to 31% of the recommended daily intake. You may either make almond milk at home or buy from a nearby grocery store. Tasty and nutritious milk is an alternative to any other healthy drink and has many significant benefits. Nevertheless, it is low in calories and sugar but high in calcium and vitamin E and D, and you may use it as your regular dairy milk. Now let us see how good is almond milk for you. Almond milk does not contain dairy at all and is a popular alternative for the vegans and for people who cannot tolerate lactose or are allergic to milk. Almost 50% of the calories are fat in almond milk, but it is a low-fat product and does not affect your lipid profile. Almond milk is high in vitamin E and is a good source of healthy fats. Hence, if you are drinking it regularly, it may benefit your heart. Almond milk, like cow's milk, does not cause constipation and irritable stomach ailments. You may drink a lot of almond milk without gaining weight. Lastly, it is right for you and lowers the levels of inflammation in your body. Now let us make an easy recipe of a smoothie which is rich in calcium. Please note down the ingredients. You need almond milk 1 cup, orange 1 cup, banana 1 cup, flax seeds 1 tablespoon. Now let us see how to prepare the smoothie. Add all the ingredients into a blender and blend well. Pour into a glass and serve. Thus it concludes that almond milk is a healthy, nutritious and a great alternative to milk that do not contain natural calcium, but you may get calcium from fortified or commercially available almond milk. Thank you.